Did you know all the sitting you're doing could be causing you back pain? And it may not be because of your back. But how? Back pain, knee pain, quad pain, hip pain. All can be due to tight hip flexors. What happens when you sit is you contract your hip flexors. They go into a compressed position, which causes them to shorten and tighten. The longer you sit, the more it compromises your hip's ability to fully lengthen when you finally get up. So how do you fix it? The best solution is to take standing breaks throughout your day. But if you're already experiencing this pain, you're going to need to stretch and strengthen your weak and/or tight hip flexors. So I'm gonna show you one strengthening exercise and one stretching exercise that you can do to lengthen and strengthen. First, I'm gonna teach you the stretch. If you need a pillow under your knee, throw one under and grab something for support. All you need to do is keep your hips straight and push them inwards. Hold the stretch for around 30 seconds, 3 times a day. You're gonna feel it in the front, right down your leg. You might feel it more at the top or more down your quad. Either one is completely normal. If you're at the very bottom of the stretch and you don't feel a thing, great, that means you're more flexible. You should still do the stretch, but you might wanna focus more on strengthening. Now I'm gonna teach you a strengthening exercise. All you need to do is tuck one leg in and extend the other one right in front of you. Make sure that your leg isn't off to the side, because then we're gonna hit our groin and do a groin stretch, and we don't want that for this strengthening. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna turn off to the side so you can see the engagement I'm about to show you. For this, all you need to do is sit up nice and tall, place your hands on either side of your front leg. All you're gonna try and do is pick up your foot off of the ground. If you're trying to pick your foot up and you can't quite get the leg up, but you're engaging, relax, that's great. Do that instead. If you can pick your leg up quite easily after 10 reps, then go down to your knee. Make sure that you keep your back straight and lift your foot off of the ground. Again, try your 10 reps. If that's quite simple for you as well, then the last stage is going down to your ankle. Again, back as straight as you can, lift and drop for 10 reps. You might feel it at the top, or you might feel it in through your quad. Both are completely normal. You wanna aim for 10 reps, 2 sets, 3 times a week. If you're more tight, make sure you're stretching more. If you're more weak, make sure you're doing more strengthening, but regardless, you want to do both. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment if you thought this was helpful, and let me know which one you are, team tight or team weak. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye everyone. I want my knee to be comfortable. Don't be afraid to put your pillow down to make sure that your knee's okay. I said that like 5 times. Put the pillow down.